In these videos, I'll walk you through the steps how I created this video with still images and audio. Let's watch the full video first, and then I'll show you how I created it. So you're saying there's no devil in hell and it's run by a committee?
Yep.
You say there's no God? So if there's no God, then who's in charge of heaven?
Why do you think there's a heaven?
Well, 'cause there's a hell?
I don't get your fixation on oppositional binaries.
If hell is real, and that's where the bad people go after they die, where do the good people go?
Good people? You're joking, right? Oh, you're being serious. There are no good people.
Download the assets zip, double click on it to open it up, and then you can delete the assets zip. Throw that out. Open up the assets folder, and let's look at what we have here. The first thing I started with was the dialogue. Let's open this up. I have a mortal speaking with a demon. When you make any kind of video that has a story, you want to write the story first, and then you'll know what you need to acquire for assets. After you write the dialogue, you want to sketch out your storyboard. Here are my first sketches. It starts off with the mortal talking. We have a close-up of his face. The next shot is going to be a close-up of the demon. Now they're going to be in the woods, and the mortal is going to be levitating. You want to show where they are. For scenery, I've loosely drawn woods in the background with a horizon line. You want to show a wide shot to show where the location of the story is being told. So the mortal here sitting with his legs crossed like he's meditating, and a demon appearing from a cloud. So this is a conversation between the mortal and the demon. So you want to see the mortal, and then you want to see the demon. You want to see them both together. Then you want to see the demon. You want to see the mortal, and back and forth and back and forth. Kind of like a tennis match. Whoever's talking in the scene, you want to show their face. Here's the second page of sketches for the story. I wanted to get a different angle here for the mortal, but it's still a wide shot. We get a close-up of the demon and him laughing at the mortal, and the mortal is not liking what the demon is saying. The demon's having a great time here, telling the foolish mortal about life. In the last parts of the scene of this story, we're going to get a close-up shot of the demon with a look of anger on its face. With the storyboard, I made 3 folders. There's a part 1 folder that has the artwork, and then there's the lettering that's telling us the camera shot. If you're working for a client, you want to write down here the shot notes, what's happening in the scene. Since this is yours and you're doing it just for schooling, it's up to you if you want to fill those out or not. Sketching out the story is really important. It helps with knowing what you're going to film, and when you're on location, you can refer back to these sketches to remember what to shoot. So keep these sketches handy when you're filming. The last part is the stop motion assets. Let's open that up. For the assets, we want to have sounds of forest. We want sounds of levitation. This is the mortal. He's meditating and he's levitating. And I wanted to have a levitation sound for that. The narration is going to be the mortal's voice and the demon voice. I'm going to voice both of them. I'm going to change my voice when I do the demon voice, and I'm going to add an audio filter to it in Premiere Pro to make it sound different than the mortal. For visuals, we need photos of the mortal, we need drawings of the demon, and we need a photo of a forest. This lesson will continue in the next video.